Friends, I am Anju Khatri. Today I am going to teach you letter writing. But before start teaching, please like, share and subscribe our channel and share my video. Now our topic is letter writing. So what is letter? Letter is a means of communication. Letter writing is very interesting topic. When you know the letter writing needs lots of practice, knowledge about the form of ideas, thoughts, emotions. Letters are of many types: handwritten letter, typed letter, printed letter. Letters are basically used by one person to another. Letters are of two types. The main essential parts of a letter are given below. When you are writing a letter, you have to know about the parts of a letter. First part is, in letter you have to write your address, then date, then receiver's address, then greeting of the letter means salutation. If you are writing to sir or madam, then write down dear sir or dear ma'am or respected sir or ma'am. If you are not sure, then always write sir. Then write down the subject, means what is the purpose of writing a letter. Then write down the body of the letter. Then write down closing of the letter. In this part you have to write down with close the letter with yours truly, yours lovingly, yours sincerely, etc. Now, how many types of letters? Letters are basically two types. One is formal letters and another is informal letters. Formal letters. Formal letters refers to the letters written in a professional language and follow a prescribed format. These letters avoid unnecessary detail and directly address the point for which the letter is written. Means formal letters are written to convey official information. Formal letters are written to government bodies, school, colleges, etc. to make a complaint or request. On another hand, formal letters are writing. Suppose if you are writing a letter to your manager for requesting or providing information or writing a complaint. So this kind of letter is formal letter. Next is informal letters. Informal letters are those letters which we write to any person whom we know personally. Means informal letters are written to those persons we know very well, or our friends or our relatives, our siblings. Informal letters are written to our loved ones, our familiar, our family members, our friends. We are not formal with them. There is no prescribed format of writing informal letters. Informal letters are written in non-professional situation. They are right. Informal letters are written to our relatives, friends, co-workers. Now, what is the basic difference between formal letters and informal letters? Formal letters are written in prescribed format. Means you have to make a format in formal letter. But in informal letter, there is no format. In informal letters, you are addressed to government, department, school, colleges, employers, and in informal letters you addressed to family, relatives, friends, etc. In formal letters you used passive voice, but in informal letters you used active voice, the language and tone. In formal letters you have to be polite and formal, but in informal letters you have to be friendly and emotional. Formal letters are long and complex. Informal letters are concise and simple. You have to use simple sentence in Informal letter. In formal letters, you have to use complex sentence, but in informal letters, you use contraction words. But in formal letters, you have to avoid contraction and abbreviation. Means full you can't use short forms in formal letters or contraction words in formal letters. In formal letters, you can't use idioms and phrases, but in informal letters, you will use idioms and phrases. In formal letters, you don't use imperative sentences, but in formal letters, you will use imperative sentences. Now, first is the format of formal letters. In this kind of letter, first we will write sender's name and address, date, recipient's name, designation, address, if any contact number, then write down. Then salutation or greeting, means you have to write down respected sir or ma'am. Then write down introductory paragraph. What is the reason? What is the main content of the letter? Then write down main paragraph. Then concluding paragraph. Then write down closing of the letter with yours faithfully or signature. This is the format. This is one example of formal letter. In this letter, Richa Gupta want to write a letter to her principal asking her leave application for 5 days to attend the grandfather's birthday. So he's written formal letter to her principal. First she write her name, her address, date, then recipient's name, address, then write down greeting words, then write down subject. Her subject is leave application. Then write down main body of the letter. What is the reason of your writing letter? Then write down closing of the letter with yours obedient, name and class. So this is the format of formal letter. Now next is informal letters. In formal letter, there is a simple format. First you have to write down sender's address, then date, then salutation or greeting, means you have to use dear or hi. Then write down its body contents. Then write down yours affectionately or yours lovingly with your name. This is the format of informal letter. This is an example of informal letter. In this letter, Sugandha wrote a letter to her friend congratulating her success on examination. So first she wrote address, date, her friend's name, then body content of this letter, then closing point. So this is the simple example of informal letter. Now next, some questions are based on letter writing. Our first question is, where do we write date in formal and informal letters? So we always write date on left side of our letter. So what is the format of date in letter writing? First we have to write month, then date, then year. In this way, first we write month, date and year. Then next question is, write 3 forms for closing of letters. Means you have to write any 3 forms of closing letters. Yours truly, yours sincerely, yours loving. Now next is, choose the correct one. Contractions are used in dash letters. In which kind of letters we used contraction words? So contraction words are used in informal letters. Now next is formal language is used in dash letters. Means we used formal language in is used in formal letters. Okay, we used formal language in formal letters because in informal letters we are not formal with our friends. Now next is which kind of voice is used in formal letters? We always use passive voice in formal letters. So these are the basic types of letter. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.